What inside my backpack? Things and backpack and from Avon and natin dito ito alcohol cologne Vicks accessories case. May naglagay na ako ng sing-sing. And second bucket. Nakita ko guys black plain mapped stainless scissor. Yan. And I got oil pastel. Small white glue and Hermes washable school glue gel. And staples ata si and siya apat and ito na ang laman from big packet. This lunch packs Barbie and water bottle mint blue or mint cream from Frozen. Ayan. So this two pencil pouch. Ito yung release. Ito sa bag. Ito muna tayo. First thing, this pencil case na plain pink. So smooth. Yan. Shaker sharpen niya. Double-sided tissue tape. 2 mapped eraser technique duo. Stapler. Correction tape. And this small design tape. And my picture. Paper design.
Pistihan ka daw gihapon.
Second, Teklan. Ito pa nagsaksak.
Itatry ko nga eh.
Press 1 HBW permanent marker. Outline, ano to? Highlighter, yellow highlighter, Unipin 0.2 ball pen, three Faber Castell number 2 pencil, and this pointed red ball pen, 0.7 Faber Castell ball pen, red, 3 times 5 Faber Castell ball pen red, and 1 blue grip times 5 ball pen, and 3 black ball pen, and I got, and silver from this pouch for trademark land. Ito, pinag sa bulit.
Bagang wala na ko.
Di narinig talaga yun. Kasi may sakit.
Noong unang hugot kita Diki, bago mo maramdaman ang masama sa rin. Diba? Ngayon, di. Pag inirap mo sunod, makudat. Pero pag irap ka lang sunod na.
Notebooks.
Maraming mo
Or
pa.
na tahi. And six string. Thanks sa
Mata ko na experiment sa
English. Net. Science. Oops. Filipino. Nakabayan. Or, kasi computer. Mape. Ito, mape, tsaka mape na lang. ESP, tsaka basta.
Salbahe kayo nakabigyo na.
Okay. Assignment notebook and quiz. And I got this from National Bookstore. I get $24 pesos Marulong. Mapit. Mapit. May sapin yan, kaya din niya nararamdaman yan. Intermediate pad. Hindi ko na ilalabas yung meron akong plastic envelope and laman ng bond paper tsaka Manila paper. And sumabi. Ay, sumabi. This is my backpack. And please like, big thumbs up, and please subscribe. I'm Mia, and I'm 6th grade now at Golden Children Academy in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Bye guys!